Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So now by press and hold the down volume button, we could open the camera app, but if you want to, for example, open the Facebook or another app or just to use the torch, so you should open first the settings, then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility and tap the quick action, and now just switch open camera to one from the available options. For example, let's open the calendar. So just let's lock the device, press and hold the down volume button, and we could see that the calendar app successfully activated. You could just switch it to open Facebook or to use the torch. So select one from the available options, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.